Today we're going to be washing my 2005 Harley-Davidson Roadster. Covered up this air cleaner because I have an open air cleaner and you don't want to get water in that. I really like these handlebars. These are the Chromeworks handlebars. That's basically all the painted surfaces. That's washed right there. If you're wondering what I'm using Overall car wash. That's the. I usually do one side at a time. Even though I'm washing this one side, I'm still kind of going over to the other side too. First this off.